Got the Anzo clear with the black housing. So what that means is you see the housing right here. It's black. And then the lens where the brake lights are and the running lights, or I guess the running lights are right here. Those are clear. It's kind of slightly smoked, but it's not blacked out. The lens on the bottom is clear. But the black housing does make it a little darker than I thought it was going to be. But I like it. Here's a sequential. These are actually made by Eagle Eye. You can get the Eagle Eye tail lights on eBay. Be a lot cheaper, but the only thing is you don't get the sequential that Anzo makes. So that's the Anzos. And here's a comparison with the stock ones. You can see down here it's also clear, black housing, but up here is chrome. And then this spot right here, you know, it's for your bulb. Even if you change it out to LED, it doesn't look as good. What the OEM has that the Anzo doesn't have that I really like is, see the bottom brake light here? It has that that triple, I guess, layered effect right there with the full red up here. Let's go back to this side. You get the triple down here, but it does stop, and then there's this 1, 2, 3, 4. This I really don't care for. I kind of wish it was just all one piece, but you know, they want to make a design. So let me go ahead and turn on the headlights. Let's see what that looks like. So there's the running lights. It looks a little bit orange on here, but it looks pretty good on here. It looks red. It's nice and clean. Yeah, I mean, that's going to be compared to this side right here, where I guess there is no running lights, right? I think oh, you know why? Because I unplugged it. So let me plug it back in real quick. There you go. There's the running lights right there. And then when you step on the brake, that gets brighter. And that's just the bulb there. So that's the comparison. Could I have done with the Angel Eyes? Probably, but I do love the sequential. I think that was the other thing for me, is I really like the sequential. Because I also have these right here. These are sequential. I mean, the headlights are still stock, so no sequential there. But I got the sequential sides. So it's only right to also have it on the tail lights. I have to say, it looks good. It exceeded my expectation.